Welcome to another episode of Comrade. We are from EB 101A.
Today is the Talent Search Day!
Are you ready to meet our contestants for today's event? Tara!
What is your name po and program?
Christian Rombawa po, I'm from STEM 303.
My name is Lord Michael Nagutom and my program is AB 101.
My name is Jill Fernandez po from Bachelor of Arts in Communication, third year.
I'm Riza from Bachelor of Science of Computer Science po.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling nervous. At some point, I just want to be a hot dog inside the freezer.
A hot dog inside a freezer.
Kinakabahan na na-excite po.
Masaya na medyo kinakabahan kasi siyempre first year tayo, lalaban tayo sa Battle of the Bands. Pero may experience naman lang, so laban lang.
Siyempre overwhelmed kasi makakapag-perform na lang ako sa maraming tao pagkatapos ng isang taon.
So what are your expectations for the upcoming event today?
So expectation ko siyempre STI yan eh. Wala naman silang binibigay na events na hindi bongga. Kaya ako, sobrang expectation ko kayo talaga. Kasi may kita mo na may LED and everything yan.
Expectation ko lang is maganda yung magiging outcome ng competition na to and sana manalo yung mga deserving talaga.
Gusto ko lang pumayraos, yun lang.
Expect ko na lahat mag-enjoy and then maipapakita namin kung ano yung tanging talento na meron ng isang STIer.
So, how did you prepare yourself this day?
Siguro, nag-ano lang ako, some enough rest kagabi. And then, practice lang ng mga rudiments for Battle of the Bands later sa pagda-drums.
Actually, hindi ako nakapag-prepare this day kasi hindi ako natulog. Ewan ko, dahil siguro sa kinakabahan din ako nung madaling araw kaya hindi ako nakatulog. Pero mga past day, siguro nag-practice ako na nag-practice sa bahay. Tapos nagtatanong din ako kung anong best na song para kantahin ko. Then yun.
To be honest, I'm not that much prepared for this competition. But I guess I'll try. For experience na din.
Sa hato sa'yo contestant po is prepare po namin yung piece namin which is pinaghandaan talaga namin siya ng ilang buwan po and pinaghandaan po namin sa sarili namin na pagod po at saka effort po namin.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
And that will be all for today. And stay tuned for more updates. And this is STI Search 2024.